Hey everybody, welcome back to Playing with Shay, and today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets, but I'm also going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to try to go this whole video without saying starting now, so none of that, but let's get to the main part of the video. So I have a lot. And I did all of these videos like months ago, but I got a lot more fidgets. So, alright, I'm going to show you them. So, let's start. I don't have much time because I have to go to dance class. But, that is fine. So, this, I went to a store with my cousins and we all got matching orange stress balls. These are needles. If you don't know what it's called, it's a needle. It just, look at that. So this is my orange needle, which I love. Next is this blue pop tube. I love pop tubes. Ready? Listen. It's huge. You know how big that is? This is bigger than my head. I think it was Sunday or no, Saturday. My grandpa gave me a present, and it was a giant carrot that's literally, it was like this long, from the top of my head to like here. Maybe a little bit shorter. But, anyway. Ooh, this. The hedgehog with blue spikes. Super cute. And I got this, if you know, the TikToker, and she's also a fidget collector, Mrs. Bench. I got this from her, which is super nice. Oh, I also got this a shimmer bear, a teal one, from Mrs. Bench. And ready? Get all that. I love this. Then, let me see. Oh, this is a homemade fidget that my friend made for me. Have beads at the end, and you just take these and slide them around. It's a homemade fidget. My best friend made this for me. Okay. Next. I don't really like this, but it's a keychain, and I wouldn't actually consider this a fidget, I guess, but I got it in a fidget mystery pack, so I guess I'm gonna count it. And it's a little keychain, but it's those ball mazes. Right now the ball is, I don't know where it is. Oh, look, it's in that corner right there. But it's one of those ball mazes. So, there's that. Oh, and in the comments, comment down below if I'm saying the word that I'm not going to say in this video, and see if I missed it. This one I got at 5 Below, and, I said, not the other word. And it's a pufferfish, and it's a puppet. It's literally, oh, I love it. But, so I didn't pop this whole side, but I popped a little bit, and then this is the good side. It pops like so good. Then this again, don't consider it a fidget, but I got it in the same fidget mystery pack as this. But in that fidget mystery pack, The only things it came with were monkey noodles and 2 poppets and some puzzle balls. And that was like the only thing in there that's actually a real fidget. But it's like a magic trick. So there's that. Ooh, I got this at, I think, Five Below. And that's nice. And then, ooh, these. This is Crazy Aaron's Berry Vanilla Slime. Ugh, I can never get these containers open. Cause look, slime gets stuck on the top. Oh, it's so hard to open. Ugh. I'm not getting this open. But anyway, next I got this at Five Below. Nice little hippo puppet, and I'm not sure you can tell on the camera, but there's glitter. It's glittery. Oh, my spot. I'm gonna pop a little bit of it. This is the good side. And this is, I think I got it at like Dollar General. Or like Family Dollar. But it's a unicorn squishy. Nice. Next. This I got I think it was Hobby Lobby. And it's Nickelodeon Watermelon Time. This. What? Last time I checked, it said I had an hour left. Okay, sorry. And it's very sticky at first. It's watermelon. And it smells like watermelon. But it's very sticky at first, but then it gets less sticky. But right now it's sticky because I weren't playing with it. I wasn't. I still don't think I said the word. Sorry, I just threw it at you. I'm so sorry. Next, this. It's a dinosaur. I got when I was like 5. And I saw it like on the ground one day in the room. And then I was like, hey, that's kind of squishy. It could be a fidget. I have beads in it. Maybe I should do a video cutting this open. I would cut it open. Then, it'd be a mess because there's beads inside. Next, this is a little rainbow poop squishy. And come back for part 2 later.